Here's a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. When your livelihood depends on whether your truck can handle the load, this is the one to buy. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Ecotec 3 engine, rear-wheel drive, tow haul mode, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.